Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from therefor.com. We're going to be answering the question, what is the difference between OFC wire and CCA wire in this video? But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of therefor.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this. It's gonna be short and sweet, but I'm gonna tell you the difference between the two. So you have two different types of wire usually in car audio. You're gonna have your CCA. CCA stands for copper clad aluminum. So that's the CCA version. And then you have OFC, which stands for oxygen free copper. In front of us, we have our 2-watt cable from Downfor Sound. And this is the CCA version, and this is the OFC version. The first thing you're gonna notice if you were here to pick these up, the CCA is way lighter. Why is that? Because the CCA version, the copper clad aluminum, is 90% aluminum and 10% copper. Aluminum is way lighter than copper is. It's also not as good as being a conductor as copper is. So, but aluminum is a lot cheaper than copper, so that's why you get a lot cheaper price on the CCA. And on the OFC side, this is going to be your 100%, like it says on the wire. Let's see if we can get it right here. 100% oxygen-free copper is what that stands for. And our wire is also silver tinned, so that makes it even better. It's going to protect against corrosion, your outdoor elements and everything like that. It's going to make it even better. So copper is heavier. It's a way better conductor of electricity. So that's why a lot of people want to go with OFC. They deem that it's going to be, overall it is safer. It's going to be able to transfer more current through it. If you are doing like there's some anomalies out there. There's people, I think Drew Jones, he runs CCA wire in his vehicle, and he noticed like a very small, I think he was running CCA, maybe it wasn't him, he's popped in my head for some reason, but somebody was running pure CCA in their vehicle. They wanted to do a test to see if they actually gained anything from switching to OFC, and the actual gain was very minimal, so it wasn't a big difference there. But the problem is with the CCA is you can run into what's called thermal runaway. So once this wire starts heating up, it makes it harder for the current to transfer through it, and it's the thermal abilities of the wire, it just starts running away. So it gets hotter and hotter and hotter, and it gets harder for the current to travel through there. So it just makes it where it's a bad situation. That's where you see people running into, a lot of people that you see having burn up wire and their wire getting super hot is running CCA. It can happen with OFC as well, but it's usually with CCA. It takes a lot to do that with a proper sized OFC wire. If you're not, say, trying to pull 10,000 amps of current through a single run of this wire, as long as you're using it like you should be using it, it's going to be a lot better. So that's the difference between the CCA and the OFC. We offer both CCA and OFC because some people want to be more budget friendly, or they might not be running a super powerful system, or they're willing to take the chance and run CCA to save a couple of bucks on their install. So whatever you want to do, me personally, I run all OFC wire. It's worth it for me to like pay the additional price to have the best wire in there. I think it's more like an insurance. It makes it safer, in my opinion. So, but you can check them out for yourself. You can weigh those options on your own and kind of go from there. But that is what the difference is between the copper clad aluminum and the OFC. And I appreciate you checking me out in another one of our videos here on Downfor Sound or my The Life of Price YouTube channel. If you have any questions regarding car audio, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under The Life of Price, and also Downfor Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.